Hello everyone. Okay, so today let's discuss something about interview and the common questions which they ask in the interview. So, the first question is tell me about yourself. So, you should start with your name, then give your place information, education in short, job experience if any, and family details in short. So I'll give you one example. Like my name is Preeti. I live in Mumbai. I have done my BE and MBA in HR. I have 3 years of experience in HR and I live with my family in Mumbai. So this is the way you should introduce yourself. So again I'm repeating the points. Start with your name, give your place information, keep your education in short, tell about your job experience and keep your family details also in short. Otherwise they will get bored. So this is about this question of tell me about yourself. So the next question, very common question, is why should I hire you? What is the reason? Why should I hire you? Because I have so many people here. So share your knowledge. Then share your work experiences. Then tell the skills related to your job and then discuss about your career goals. So I'll give you one example. Like you can say that, sir, as I am a fresher, I have a theoretical knowledge, but I can do hard work for my organization and I will put all my efforts for the good progress of my organization. Being punctual and sincere, I can finish the work given to me on time and try to fulfill all the needs of the company from me. So this is the way you should tell them that why you are important or why they should hire you. Okay, so the next question, very common question which they ask is what are your strengths? So just be very careful while telling your strengths because it should not feel as if you are overconfident or like आपको बहुत कुछ आता है. So just tell them that your strengths are adaptation, honesty, hardworking, flexibility, optimistic, self motivated, and fast decision making. Like you can tell them that I'm honest, self motivated, and a hard working person with positive attitude towards my career and life. Just keep your words short. जितना ज़्यादा आप डिटेल में बोलोगे the more chances are that they will just pick out the questions out of those things only. So the next question, very but obvious question after strengths come, like what are your weaknesses? So just don't ever be so true while giving your interview that you just tell them, okay, I'm short tempered. No, these are not your weaknesses. So if they ask that what are your weaknesses, you tell them that you are straightforward, you are sensitive, you are more talkative, you trust people very quickly, I can't say no when someone asks me for help, I take decisions very quickly. So this is the way you should say. You just tell them like this, I can't say no when someone asks for help and I am a bit lazy in which I am not interested. So just to tell them that yes, that whatever I am doing, my interest is there. Okay, and never ever tell your true weaknesses in interview. If you tell them, then you are out in the first round itself. So next is like company, every company or organization, they will ask you the another question, that why do you want to do work with our company, why you want to work with us? So just tell them what you like about the company. So you have to do some homework before going for an interview. So just tell them what you like about the company and just relate it to your long term career goals. Like, for example, you can say that, sir, it's a great privilege for anyone to work in a reputed company like yours. When I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching your requirement, where I can showcase my technical skills to contribute to the company growth. So, whatever is their requirement, And if it's matching to your job profile, so just tell them all things about that and relate it to your career goals, because this will add icing to the cake. Because whatever requirement they are having and whatever things you are telling them, they will feel as if this person is suitable or apt for this job. And the next question is like, why are you looking for a job change? Because obviously if you are working somewhere, they would definitely ask you that why you want a change. So just tell them, just explain them, and just say thanks to your previous job. Just say thanks, explaining what all you have learned from your past job. Share your reason for a job change and relate it to your career goals. Like you should say that I'm thankful to my previous organization because I have learned a lot of things from there. According to me, changes are necessary for everyone to enhance your skills, knowledge, and for personal growth and financial growth. Your organization is a good platform where I can learn more. So, if they are asking you why you want a job change, just tell them that you have learned a lot from your previous organization, but the present opportunity which the organization is giving you, where you are giving interview, that is much more important for your knowledge, for your personal growth, and for your financial growth. So now next they're going to ask you what are your career goals. So you can just tell them that what are your career goals. So just discuss about the short term goal and long term goal. Like you can say that my short term goal is to get a job in required company where I can utilize my skills and improve my career path. And my long term goal is to be in respectable position in that organization, right? And finally, do you have any questions to ask me? Just if they ask you that do you want to ask some questions, so just express thanks. You can ask about your salary structure, your job timing, your job location, about your overtime allowance, about your timing period, about the transport facility. So just tell them like, thank you giving me this opportunity, then sir, I would like to know the job timing and the transport facility and what will be the job location and salary scales for this job in your organization. So now they will ask you what are your salary requirements. So never ever share your salary requirement as a fresher. Experienced candidates can share their expected salary. Always say yes as per the company norms for the job. So you can just tell them that I am a fresher. Salary is not first priority for me. This is a big platform to start my career, and I also want to improve my knowledge and skills and gain experience. So I expect a considerable of salary according to my ability and your company norms, which will fulfill my economical needs. So this is all about the interview. Just go well prepared and you're definitely gonna crack it. It is not a big deal. Apart from good dress up and everything, you also need to know certain things like how to speak, when to speak, and where to speak. It's always said that speak less, observe, and absorb. Okay, so just give your answers to the point, but it should not be like you are confused. Just hit the nail, the right target at right time. So all the best if you are trying, and I hope that this video is helpful for you. Thank you, and keep subscribing and keep liking it.